Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an isolation, get it done by cleaning my whole house. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and thank you, appreciate you for your support.
Don't get me started about the way you look at me. Don't you see what you've done? Don't want a broken heart, and please never let me go. Can we be more than friends just for once? Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my highs. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss under the starlight. Don't get me started. I just can't help it when I see your face. Feel your trace under the stars. We'll leave this party. Yeah, sneak around the back and drive away to my place or somewhere far. Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my highs. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss under the starlight. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss under the starlight.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said I won't leave your side. They left you bare, but I'm begging you, staring my eyes for you. Yeah, I give my life. And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? I wanna know, I wanna see. Can I feel your kryptonite? I'm here to hear you say you're fine. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it own you, control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time.
I need you now, and I don't care how. Can't you see my love? I need you now. Promise I will make it right. I'm still waiting. I need you now. I don't care how. Can't you see my love? I need you now. Promise I will make it right. I'm still waiting. I don't know what to do, I can't find the light in here. Don't know how should I feel staying alone with this fear. Moving too fast, how can we find a place? I forgot who I am, forgot where I came from. Forgot all my roots, left all my safe zone. Now I'm stuck in a loop, stuck in a loop. Can't you see how I need you now? I don't care how. Can't you see my love? I need you now. Promise I will make it right. I'm still waiting. I know what I did, I can see my mistakes right here. I'm willing to change, I'm staying right here, my dear. You won't have to worry no more. I forgot who I am, forgot where I came from. Forgot all my roots, left all my safe zone. Now I'm stuck in the loop, stuck in the loop. Can't you see how I need you now? I don't care how. Can't you see my love? I need you now. Promise I will make it right. I need you now. I don't care how. Can't you see my love? I need you now. Promise I will make it right. I'm still waiting.
Does anybody else tuck their curtains up before they start the robotic vacuum so their curtains don't get eaten? Or do you guys just have shorter curtains?
My mind is a minefield. Watch your step, that's not a threat, no. My heart is a house of cards. They had those shaky hands, they let me fall apart. And I know it shows, yeah. You keep me on my toes, yeah. Just one more song, yeah, yeah. Play it till I'm gone. When I start sinking, all my demons start creeping in. When I start breaking, will you be waiting? Pick me up and put me back together again. See what I see? Yeah, you could save me. Got me out of my mind, tongue-tied, hypnotized, but it feels alright. Just scared 'cause I want you. You brought me back to life. Now I'm terrified, and I know it shows, yeah. You keep me on my toes, yeah. Just one more song, yeah, yeah. Play it till I'm gone. When I start sinking, all my demons start creeping in. When I start breaking, will you be waiting? Pick me up and put me back together again. See what I see? Yeah, you could save me. You could save me.
Does anybody else struggle on how you organize your baby's bows? Leave a comment down below if you guys have that one room that always stays mostly clean for the most part, or if you always find your stuff in other people's rooms. Little Tiaga's room is normally always the cleanest, but as a mom of 3, it never fails that I find somebody else's stuff in somebody else's room. Guys, please comment down below what kind of flooring do you prefer or do you have in your bedrooms. Right now we just have subfloor that they either stained or painted, so we're kind of working with a clean slate. We're debating on hardwood floors or putting in carpeting. Our little princess never sleeps in this room. She's still in her bassinet, which we keep next to our bed. However, we do have our crib and we'll be putting it up soon. This is one of the reasons why we're staying in the guest room upstairs, because we want all the kids to feel comfortable sleeping in their own rooms in their own bed. When they do, then we'll finally move our room back down to the master bedroom. Now that the house is clean and everybody's settled, it's my turn to just chill back and relax. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and see you in my next video.